Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome inside my kitchen. I'm going to make one of my favorite shakes coming up. Chocolate, peanut butter, banana. It's a protein shake. I'll have all the macros, but this thing is delicious. Here's the first thing. 1 cup of almond milk unsweetened. You can use vanilla if you want. Next recipe you guys all have. 4 ice cubes. Next ingredient is up to you. I use a half a banana because I'm a type 2 diabetic, but if you want, use a whole. But that is 1/2 banana. All right, huge ingredient. I use Quest chocolate. If you don't want to use chocolate, but I would for this recipe, chocolate protein, I do 1 scoop. You can certainly do 2 if you want. Oh, look at that, the ice cubes. What a beautiful sight. Again, optional. I like Skippy Chunky. I'm going to use a little peanut butter. That's all we need. This sometimes will not break down as easily, so shove it in there. All right, I say get a Ninja. I do a little pulse first. Then hit it for 3. All right, we're done. Time to pour. Look at that. And you can serve this, put a little whipped cream, maybe chocolate chips, but email me if you want more tips. I have some great recipes for you. This is really good. Is that weird? Yeah, it is.